How to get Gcubes in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get Gcubes in Blockman Go. Getting Gcubes in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the game on your mobile device. Access the shop. From the main menu, look for the shop icon usually located on the home screen or in their profile menu. Select Gcubes. In the shop, navigate to Gcube section. You should see various options for purchasing different amount of Gcubes. Choose the amount. Select the desired amount of Gcubes you want to buy. Price will vary depending on the quantity. Payment method. After selecting the amount, you will be prompted to confirm your purchase. You can pay using your linked payment method like credit card, Google Play or Apple ID. Confirm purchase. Follow the prompt to complete the transaction. Make sure to confirm the payment. Check your Gcubes. Once the purchase is successful, return to your profile or the main menu to check your updated Gcube balances. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can get Gcubes in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.